Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, this one is going to surprise you because today we are talking about cats. And I know what you might be thinking, cats don't listen, cats can't be trained. But here's the truth, cats can be trained, you just need the right approach. Let me ask you, does your cat ignore you sometimes or most of the time? That's not attitude, that's independence. Let's try to teach them and let's do it step by step. So, step one, understanding the cat mindset. For dogs, they think, how can I please you? They have a master and a pet mentality. But cats, they think, why should I do this? So, your job is simple, make it worth it for them. Step two, finding their motivation. This is everything. Cat will respond only if there's a benefit. Common motivators are food, could be a treat, and second one is play. You can provide them with toys, movement, and third one is comfort and curiosity. That seems obvious. So identify what your cat loves most. That becomes your training tool. Step 3. Start with simple responses. Let's begin with something easy. Responding to their name seems quite easy, right? And how to train it? Say your cat's name. The moment they look at you, give them a reward. Repeat this multiple times. They learn and they'll understand that hearing my name means good things are about to happen. Step 4. Use target training. This works amazingly with cats. How it works is use your finger or a target stick, let your cat touch it with their nose, and reward them immediately. Now you can guide them, move your hand, they'll follow, build behaviors step by step. This is how you communicate with cats. Step 5. Keep sessions very short. I couldn't emphasize more that keeping the session short is very important. Cats don't have long attention spans. Ideal session should be just 2 to 5 minutes and multiple times a day. Stop before they lose interest. Always leave them wanting more. Next is respect their mood. This is, of course, very important. If your cat is sleeping, irritated, and not interested, there is no point of training. Don't force training upon them. Work with their mood, not against it. Step 7 is rewarding instantly. I've told you enough times that you should reward immediately when a certain behavior happens. Otherwise, they'll not be able to relate that what is giving them that reward. So cats are very precise learners. Timing must be perfect. Reward immediately when they respond. Now let's have a quick cat training activity. Right after this video, try the name response exercise. Say your cat's name, reward eye contact. Do this for 5 to 10 times. Watch what happens over the next few days. Your cat will start paying attention more. And here's something powerful. You don't control a cat, you influence a cat. Once you understand this, training becomes smooth and even fun. In the next lecture, we are taking things even further, off leash control and discipline. This is where your training becomes truly advanced. So go connect with your cat, keep it fun, and I'll see you in the next lecture.